Guzman, stopping clock. Last game. 47-36. Time remaining 1 minute and 50. Oh, still by Guzman. No good. And stop by Bravo. Gonzalez. Foul number 9. Estilo. Sabi ko siya. Estilo, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Parang tumatalong pala yun. Parang pala tumatalong to?
Dakdak yan, no? Alam mo.
Parang asa talong na.
Superman, eh.
Yun, no?
Superman? Dan. Tinalong. Nayari ni Kape, si Duran. Nayari ka ba?
2 for 2 for Gonzalez. Balik sa katawan niya mamaya.
Sa katawan niya mamaya.
Carpio. Turnover. Carpio.
Romel Carpio.
Albaran. Bravo. Back to Albaran. Castro. Oh! 3 points. Wow. Ahu. 47-41. The official score. 50 to shoot. And 2 points for RJ Guzman. Regalado. And 2 points. Points for Gonzalez. Alana, 50 to shoot. Balagbat. To Guzman. Jumper. No good. And tap by Albaran. Oy, ayan. Foul rebound by Paco. And RJ. To Balagbat. To Albaran. Block. Foul. Number 6. Kurto. Foul number. Foul number 23, Carpio. Time remaining 8 minutes.
Penalty. Adjust mo. 8. Hindi na, 1 second. Yung mahirap ang decision. Hindi, okay na yun. Hindi, hold na lang namin. Hold na lang na yun.
Penalty. May tawag na yung penalty. I-hold na lang namin ng 3 seconds.
3 seconds lang yun, 3 seconds.
Penalty yun, penalty. I-hold na lang namin ng 3 seconds ng time. One out of 2 for Albaran. Still by Bravo.